to school night. Hi, parents.
I had a backup plan ready for.
Good evening. My name is Jim Reynolds. I'm the principal of Abbey Grace High School, and I'd like to welcome all of you to our back to school night. The mission of Abbey Grace High School is to create a rigorous.
We are currently on a tour with Mr. Williamson from the Board of Ed. He's checking out the school, enjoying everything we got to show him. So let's take a look.
We have all these artifacts back in our room, so she's changing this up. Right. Right, guys.
Okay, so say your device again and then explain it.
CSI.
So it's Thursday, and I was planning to go out and check on some practices and see what was going on. But this is happening. Hombre, what's it doing right now?
Raining.
Yeah.
Still rocking.
So I'm not going outside. All right, so something's going on in the English pod. Go check it out.
3, a minute 30.
We're gonna let them get a 3-9.
What are you doing?
An experiment.
On what?
Memorization of words.
Can't say it. There we go. What are you guys doing?
Memorizing the words, yeah.
For an experiment?
Yeah.
Cool. For what class?
We're the guinea pigs.
Oh, you're the guinea pigs. What class is it?
Psychology.
Okay. Okay, so here is our Abbey Grace Warriors public service announcement for today. Get your parking pass. If you're parking in the parking lot, you need a parking pass. They look like this. That needs to be on your car in order to park. If you've parked there recently without a parking pass, you're going to find a permit application on your windshield. Get your parking pass. This has been a Abbey Grace Warriors public service announcement. All right, so we had a big week. Lots of events going on, really getting to the swing of the school year. Only 4 days this week, but it felt like a lot longer. Again, next week is a 4-day week. We have Monday the 14th off. So to kind of recap what we did this week, football last Friday had a win against Northeast. Girls soccer played Edgewood. Girls volleyball played Northeast. Boys volleyball played Patterson Mill. All of them had great games then. Tonight, we have football going against Joppatown. Boys soccer at home tonight against, who are they playing tonight? Northeast. And girls volleyball is at Patterson Mill this afternoon. So good luck to all the teams. Remember, if you're parking out there, get your parking pass. And have a great week. Say it.